How to clean the scanner glass on HP ScanJet scanners. Occasional cleaning of the scanner helps ensure high-quality scans. The amount of care necessary depends on several factors, including the amount of use and the environment. Perform routine cleaning as necessary. Make sure to have the following items before cleaning: clean, lint-free or microfiber cloths, glass cleaner or clean water. Caution: do not use cleaners that contain abrasives, acetone, benzene, or carbon tetrachloride, as these chemicals can damage the scanning glass. Avoid using isopropyl alcohol, as it can leave streaks on the glass. First, press and hold the power button to turn off the scanner. Then, disconnect the USB cable and power supply. Lift up the scanner lid. Caution: do not spray the glass cleaner directly on the scanner glass, as this might cause permanent damage. Use a clean, lint-free cloth moistened with water, or spray the glass cleaner on a clean, lint-free cloth and then thoroughly clean the flatbed scanner glass. Dry the scanner glass with a dry, soft, lint-free cloth. Make sure to dry the scanner glass completely. Next, clean the scanning strip components located on the left side of the scanner glass and the bottom of the scanner lid. Clean the scanning strips with a soft, lint-free cloth that has been sprayed with a mild glass cleaner. Caution: only use glass cleaner to clean the scanning strips. Avoid cleaners that contain abrasives, acetone, benzene, and carbon tetrachloride, all of which can damage the scanning strips. Avoid isopropyl alcohol because it can leave streaks on the scanning strips. Do not spray the glass cleaner directly on the scanning strips. Dry the scanning strips with a dry, soft, lint-free cloth. Wipe the strips of gray, reflective material on each strip. Close the scanner lid. Reconnect the USB cable and power supply to the scanner. Press the power button to turn on the scanner. The scanner is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.